Hello everyone, this is Shubham from gossipfunda, and today I'm going to show you the tutorial how to uninstall WebDiscover from your Windows 8. I'm not showing Windows 10 because I didn't got the time to installation and that. I'm showing in my other laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first we need to open Google and go to the task manager. As you can see, the WebDiscover is running in my portal, and from here we have to end the task, like all of it which is running in the background. So I'll end the task. As you can see, the data is clear and I've closed the app, and there you can see that in the top bar you can see a white shade of it. That is not the frame which is there, it is actually the white shade which is coming. So I'll go back to like settings, and then I will go to apps. Now I will go to, yes, as you can see, where it is, I have to find it actually. Yeah, I found it. Web Discover, uninstall from here. I process the uninstall. As it is saying, you want to finally uninstall and setup change. I will click on yes. As you can see, pressed yes, and now it is uninstalling. The process takes a bit of time, I guess. Yeah, so you can see, and yeah, yes, it is uninstalled. And we have to go to back, cut it, Google 2, and now I have to go to Windows and restart the device. Now let's see, because there are some rumors that due to restart, like after restarting, there are some apps led by Web Discover which totally runs in the background. Now let's open the file manager area. I will, sorry, the file. Yes, I've opened the file manager. Actually, I clicked the Windows and local disk C. Check on the like program files if any available or not. There are some options filled on clicked, and the view option. As you can see, I've clicked on local disk C, and now we gotta check the program. It should be in the program files. As you can see, there is, I don't think so any of it is available. I didn't see anything related to Windows Defender. As you can see, the folder is empty too, and there are some, I think these are Windows Defender, another file. I have to uninstall too, I guess, because basics. Check on the other devices, like on the Windows. I'll go for it and check if there is any of Windows Discover left. Search for it. Let's search for it. As you can see, I've scrolled down and up and it didn't find any like Web Discover data or any app. But let's now search for it to for the clearance. I will uninstall some stuffs from my device too. Web Discover, I didn't find any. There is OneDrive, Microsoft, and other folders. No, I didn't find it. Let's go back to local disk C and check on users. So without wasting time, I've searched all my app data and users too, where there were some private data, and I didn't find any Web Discover app. As you can see, I went to Google and there was no file data area or the upper area which was mentioned there. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you see in my next video. Do like, comment, and share it to your friends, and always do subscribe to Gossip Funda for these further technical updates. Don't forget to put down your queries in the comment section, and do check the link in the description area. Stay happy, stay safe, and keep watching Gossip Funda. Goodbye.